2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 14. Remind them of these things and charge them before God not to quarrel about words, which does no good, but only ruins the hearers. We have two directives for Timothy here. Remind them and charge them. We will address the first one today. Unlike the second directive, Paul doesn't mention what exactly is Timothy supposed to remind when he says, remind them of these things. First of all, to whom is he supposed to remind? It's obviously the people under Timothy's care, the church that he is pastoring at Ephesus. And what are the things that he is to remind them? We studied from the previous 3 verses about the saying that is trustworthy that Paul would expect Timothy to remind his people. And this may also include the command directly given to Timothy himself to remember Jesus Christ resurrected and that he was the promised Messiah from verse 8. Because the key concern of our current passage is the false teaching about resurrection. So with that context, Paul wants Timothy to remind them about the resurrection of Christ and what that means to believers. And so Paul wants to make sure that Timothy would not let anyone else confuse that doctrine within the church. How essential it is for the church to be reminded of Christian foundations so we don't fall prey to false teaching. Have a blessed day.